Hi guys, today I'm back with some molds to try out. These are identical, but I'm going to do two different colours. They are a Christmas ornament. So I thought I've mixed up two mica powders. So I've mixed up a light pink and a hot pink. They come in a set of 24 from Amazon. I will list them below. They're just a really good set of different colors. So, and I've also added some chunky glitter to some epoxy resin as well. One is called Groot from Marvel Collection, and the other one is a golden rose from Mystic Art Glitters. So don't know which way is the best way to approach this, but I'm thinking I really just want to do it in one pour because I am a bit like that. So I thought maybe I might just do the base all one colour and then maybe try and put the chunkies in the little bits here. We'll see how that turns out. So this is the hot pink mica powder. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is quite an iridescent colour. So if I start off and maybe just fill this section a little bit first. Now this is the chunky Groot. So it's got gold and pink filaments. So if I okay, it's all running in. We'll learn and see what this turns out. Okay, oh, actually I'm actually liking that. That looks pretty cool. All right. Now, for the other one on the other side, the light pink. So I will just do the same sort of process. Fill this bottom bit in first to a point. And now I've got like a rose sort of pinky gold chunky with the clear resin mixed in. Now this might be a complete disaster, who knows, but we try these things. Okay, I'll pop any bubbles that appear. I might actually even fill this up a little bit more with the pink, this one. And I will let those cure for possibly 48 hours and I'll be back for the unmolding. Okay, it's been a week. Time to unmold these. So first looks from the back, it looks like maybe the glitter has moved a fair bit, but let's see. We just did it all in one pour, so oh wow. Oh no, it's pretty cool. I kind of like all those colours merged like that. Yeah. That's so nice. All right, this one was the lighter colour one, so this is the light pink and the champagne. Oh wow, look at that one. Gosh, that's so pretty. Oh, these would make really nice teacher gifts. Just something so simple and easy to make. Wow, give this mold a go, guys, for Christmas. It's just a really pretty mold. Thanks for watching, guys, and catch me next time with some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.